making a problem go away.
What, got possums?
No, the jerk archaeologist
You
is...
know what works for me? You stuck a cat full of arsenic in the side of the basement.
Well, that would be murder, Bill. What do you think would happen if this know-it-all found a fake artifact and thought it was real? What would Peggy think of him then, huh?
I mainly just know about possums.
Hehehehe